This 2022 Forest River Surveyor 276 BHLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, oven, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Surveyor 276 BHLE is 6,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.